Uh, Hi YouTube. EDC Gunner requested a EDC update, and I waited to do this because I have to attend our organization's uh, tournament tomorrow as an instructor. I'm not competing. I don't compete anymore. They tell us that instructors can compete, but no one does. I'm just officiating, refereeing and making sure everyone stays safe and everything else. It's part of the duties of the instructor, or as an instructor. So I'm gonna be there all day. Okay, not only are there events during the day, but there's gonna be a dinner that evening, as well as the tag team sparring competition, and I'm pretty much gonna be at the event all day. So that being said, what's my EDC gonna be for that day? Well, I'm taking 3 of these of varying flavors, Clif Bars. I'm gonna make a sandwich before I leave the house as well. Wallet's gonna go with me, of course. Self-defense tool these days. Yeah, even though I'm at a martial arts event, I'm gonna be armed in some way. A gun wouldn't work anyway, since it is in a school. But I'm gonna have a knife on me, and it's probably gonna be the Pioneer. To be quite honest, just because I like the tool set. It's non-threatening. Everyone knows Swiss Army. Okay, and something that is in my option tray, but I hardly ever take one. I'm gonna take a flashlight to this on my person. Why? Because the power has gone out in the past at these things, and I want to have a flashlight on my person. I will be wearing a tux, so I will have pockets. It's a few things that are new that I probably won't take, since I am gonna take the backpack. Okay, I did get the Maxpedition micro organizer, I think this is. I got this with some good sun points, thinking, well, let's try to avoid taking the backpack and just take a minimized kit, small multi-tool, a Swiss Army knife, a flashlight, and a big blade, as well as some cordage. But Mama Uncle Cow, in all her wisdom, insisted I take my backpack because I'm going to be there all day. I will have more capability with that bag. You guys have seen 99% of what's in the bag. I'm going to just list off a few things I have added and will be putting in there. I put the CRKT guppy that I got from a subscriber, I think a year to a year and a half ago, in the toolkit, and I think that's about it. The Tommy Knocker is still in there. the Leatherman Wave is in the toolkit, as well as everything else that I've listed in previous videos. Okay, so if you're interested, go look those up, and then you'll know. And go ahead and comment and whatever. If you want a updated video on my EDC bag, let me know and I'll do it. But with just the webcam, it is difficult. Along with a sandwich and a medical device that I'm not going to go into. Taking my iPad for a couple reasons. Entertainment. I'm going to be there a while, and then there's going to be a lull in between, the morning event and the evening event. I'm pretty much going to hunker down and stay all day. So, taking the iPad, a couple of really good apps I would recommend in a self-defense, realm, okay, that I do have on here. I have the YouTube app on here, okay. I have Dragon Dictation, okay. I don't know whether this is going to show up on camera. I doubt it. Nope. Nope. Hold on. I have Dragon Dictation, which allows me to record my voice into script to the iPad, which is handy. Okay, with the CP. I have Notability, so God forbid, I hope this doesn't happen, but there's always a little chance that a higher up might come to me during the day and go, "Hey Josh," or "Instructor Goldstein, can you make up a chair-bound self-defense exhibition and perform it tonight?" And to those who study martial arts, can back me up on this. You really can't say no to a senior instructor or a master, for that matter. So I have Dragon Dictation to jot down, record ideas. I have Notability. I can jot down really quick notes, or type down really quick notes in there, so I have that ability. Of course, there's the entertainment aspect, so the iPad is going with me. Okay, and the only really, really new thing if I can find it. Okay, I got the Leatherman Squirt PS4. Okay, this is the one with the pliers and the scissors. I accidentally got the ES4 because I think I was in a rush making the order, because I had my nephew going, "Josh," or something to that effect in my ear when I bought it. So got the PS4 Squirt. I was gonna take it with me tomorrow, but I'm gonna have the bag, which has the Leatherman Wave in my toolkit, so I'm covered there. If I'm gonna keep anything on my person, it's gonna be the Pioneer, okay, and probably the flashlight, which is the Phoenix LD10. Okay, so that's my tournament day EDC rundown as a instructor. Like I said, you guys have seen the bag before. You know, a couple more clip bars in there. My survival kit I've done a video on. A small first aid kit I probably won't have to worry about since we will have EMTs there, so that's really not an issue. A water bottle, I'm going to take bottled water with me, so you know, again, not an issue. I'm going to have cash, and of course, it being a school, there are water fountains, so, and if something goes horribly wrong, which there's always that slight possibility, that thing can get me home on foot if I need it to. So that's my tournament day EDC as a instructor. Anyway, so that was a request from EDC Gunner. I'm gonna redo my Pumse Pyonghwa video if I have the energy Sunday, because like I said, I'm gonna be there all day tomorrow, and I have to get up at about 6 in order to be there by 7:30, which they're requiring instructors to be there early. So we'll see how I feel Sunday morning. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Like I said, send me those requests and I'll continue to try and come up with video ideas. If you want more product reviews, let me know, and if you know of something I have that I can review, I'll do a review on it. If you sell a product and want me to review it, all you need to do is send it to me for free, pretty much as a gift, and that's payment for the review. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Yes, so stay tuned. Thank you all for watching and your continued viewership. It really means a lot. I really didn't think anyone would ever watch my videos, so this has been amazing. So thank you all. God bless, and like I always say, don't do anything I wouldn't do, and be safe out there.